The peregrine falcon, renowned as the fastest bird in the world, embodies the pinnacle of avian speed and agility. With a wingspan ranging from 3.3 to 3.6 feet and a weight of about 1.5 to 3.5 pounds, this remarkable bird is built for speed. Its streamlined body and pointed wings allow it to slice through the air with minimal resistance. What truly sets the peregrine falcon apart is its incredible hunting technique. It can reach speeds of over 240 miles per hour during a hunting stoop high-speed dive, which is faster than any other bird or animal on the planet. This remarkable speed is achieved through a combination of powerful muscles, aerodynamic body shape, and a specialized respiratory system that supports its high-energy demands. The peregrine falcon's hunting strategy is both effective and spectacular. It typically soars high above its territory, scanning the ground for prey, primarily small to medium-sized birds. Once it identifies a target, it enters a steep dive, folding its wings back to reduce drag. This breathtaking plunge allows it to surprise and capture its prey midair, showcasing its agility and precision. In terms of habitat, peregrine falcons are highly adaptable, nesting in a variety of environments, from urban skyscrapers to remote cliffs. Their ability to thrive in diverse settings speaks to their resilience and versatility. The peregrine falcon has also become a symbol of conservation success. Once endangered due to pesticide use and habitat loss, dedicated conservation efforts have led to their remarkable recovery in many regions. Today, they serve as a testament to the importance of protecting our natural ecosystems and the species within them. In summary, the peregrine falcon is not just the fastest bird. It's a masterful hunter and a resilient symbol of nature's beauty and strength. Its speed, agility, and adaptability make it a true marvel of the avian world.